Hey everyone, ever heard of watermelon seed oil? If not, you're about to fall in love, because this little-known natural oil is seriously changing the beauty game. First off, let's talk skin. Watermelon seed oil, also called Kalahari oil, is super lightweight and soaks in fast, giving you deep hydration without clogging your pores. If you're dealing with oily, dry, or even combo skin, it's a total game changer. Plus, it's loaded with linoleic acid, which can help balance your skin's oil production. Bye-bye breakouts. But wait, there's more. This oil is packed with antioxidants, like vitamin E, that help fight off those free radicals responsible for wrinkles and fine lines. I love how it supports skin elasticity, making my face feel firmer and smoother. It even helps detoxify, clears out impurities, and soothes any irritation or redness. If you struggle with eczema or just have sensitive skin, this is one to try. Now for the hair, yes, it's a multitasker. Watermelon seed oil hydrates the scalp, helps with dryness and itchiness, and actually nourishes your hair follicles. That means stronger, healthier hair growth and less breakage. I like adding a few drops to my hair to boost shine, smoothness, and say goodbye to frizz. Seriously, it's like a salon visit in a bottle. And for a bonus, it's good for your overall health too. The healthy fatty acids support your heart, antioxidants fight off stress, and minerals like magnesium and zinc help your immune system stay strong. So, watermelon seed oil? It's not just for juicy summer snacks. It's a beauty and wellness powerhouse packed into one little bottle. Give it a try. You might just wonder how you ever lived without it.